In this video, I'll show you how to delete clips in Filmora without shifting everything on your timeline. In other words, how to delete without closing the gap. By default, when you press backspace to delete a clip, Filmora automatically moves the next clip over to fill the space. This is called auto ripple, and while it's helpful in many cases, sometimes you want to leave that gap untouched. To prevent this automatic snapping, go up to the toolbar above the timeline and look for the auto ripple icon. Hover over it, and you'll see it says, Close Auto Ripple. Click on it to turn Auto Ripple off. Now, when you delete a clip using backspace, the rest of your timeline stays exactly where it is, no more unwanted shifting. You can also drag clips freely without them snapping into each other, which gives you more precise control over your edit. And if you want to remove the gap later on, just click the space and hit the Delete Gap button, the little X. That's how easy it is to disable Ripple Delete in Filmora and keep full control over your timeline layout. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Filmora tips.